Good morning, guys. Good morning. Everything is down. Cloudflare is down, so Twitter is down. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Get all set up here. Do I trade my Take Profit Trader account? That is the question. That is the $1,000,000 question. I will. Oh wait, no I won't. Trade Sinker is down as well. All right, so I guess I will not be trading my Take Profit Trader account with the ORB. That sucks. Yeah, Cloudflare is down, so all the websites are affected by it. Twitter's down, Take Profit Trader's down, Apex is down, Trade Sinker is down. I'm sure there's others. Gonna go with 3 contracts again and then scalp. Hopefully make some more. With 3 contracts, the loss isn't too bad. It's only 1,200, so. Hopefully we don't lose. But yeah, we'll see what happens with the websites. Big candle right there. That's a massive candle for a pre-market. That's a 35 point candle now. Just like that. Out of nowhere. As if the market opened already. Look at that. All right, overnight definitely looked weak here. But recovered a little bit. Again, double bottom. Love the double bottom setups. Definitely an area of interest. Again, at the lows, but for the ORB, I'm not really biased yet. I mean, short definitely looks better, but the slippage just has been scary. I think the best part about the outage is that Twitter is affected, so no one has a place to complain about it. Because I could already see people complaining about TradeSync being down. All right, guys, we got 2.5 minutes. If you hit the like button today, we could do a giveaway. If we hit like 200 likes, I'll make a post about it. When I make the post, people hit the like button more, but we'll do a Take Profit Trader giveaway. Golfing needs to come out of retirement. All right, just like that. Goes right back up. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Joaquin, Miss K, Bruce Lee, Sean, good morning, good morning. Was excited to pass evals. Yeah, hopefully they fix it. Hopefully Cloudflare fixes it. Yeah, TradeSync down, Take Profit Traders down. Anyone else? Twitter's down. Apex, Apex, Twitter. Take Profit Trader and TradeSync is what I've noticed so far. And I know there's big companies that are affected as well, but we don't care about those. Marco, good morning. Good luck. All right, guys, let's get it. Let's get after it. Hopefully slippage is much nicer today. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, no slippage. All right, that was good. Very whippy. The early entries right now are somewhat better on ORB. The early entries would be better, but another win. All right, we continue winning. Fortunately, did not take it on my Take Profit Trader because TradeSync is down, so who won on the ORB? Anyone? Yeah, Cloudflare is down. What was the trigger for entering your ORB? Just a breakout. So like it faked out down to the low, so I saw strength to the upside, so I just took it. It's very all right. Let's see if this will load today. I had an issue with this yesterday with the tick chart. All right, we're good. Sean, what prop firm are you trading with? Because on Apex, I don't have any issues. It must be Take Profit Trader. Because how many seconds was the ORB? I don't know. Because I didn't take it on Take Profit, so. So you see how I have this delay here? That's on Bull Knox. Does ORB work on live accounts? Yes, it works better on live accounts than it does on sim. You get better fills. Wow. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Maybe I should try to pass those evals from yesterday. Oh no, I wouldn't trade on my personal account. No, I never plan on trading personal account. There's no point. There's so many prop firms out there. Why would I trade a personal account for bragging rights? Nah. No, Rhythmic is not down. This market is violent, but so far clean, up and down. Do you think 2 million a year profit is possible with prop firms? That's too high. I think you could have a $2 million a year, but then you'll be you will be usually, you know, not banned, but put to live with prop firms and makes it difficult. If you're a good trader, you could do it on Take Profit Trader. I mean, Lanto did it in 3 days, $1.5 million on Take Profit Trader. But any other prop firm, nah. All right, I'm taking that scalp short. See, taking that trap here. See if it continues lower. No. No dice. All right. Today might not be as good as yesterday. Already failed one eval. But with the with this promo, I might do a lot of 50Ks. $40 activation for 50K account, it's not bad. And I could pass much easier. Oh, I guess Twitter's back. Damn, I got so many messages. Ali, because you're trading on Rhythmic account. And Take Profit Trader Rhythmic is the reason why I love Take Profit Trader. The evals are static drawdown, yes. Okay, volatility is high. Chop is real today. Oh, CQG. That's strange. Well, is Apex website still down? Let's see. Trade Sinker's back. Twitter's back. Apex is still down. Take Profit Trader is back. I don't even know where to begin with today's price action. Yesterday I felt so in tune, and today I don't know. I think today is time to just scalp. See if I could scalp on this eval. That's $600 right there. Is Rhythmic down? Not for me. Let me see. Do I have any Take Profit Trader accounts? Let me see. I'm not even connected to my Take Profit Trader. I don't know if I have any evals. I don't know if I blew the last one or not. I'm loading into my Take Profit now to see if I'm having the same issue as you guys. Fortunately, I don't have any. I mean, I have a pro account. I could. Uh-oh. My QUANTOWER just froze. Well, is this stream frozen? No, right? It's just QUANTOWER. Yeah. Well, that's the first. Oh, I think we're back. Yeah, I guess I would be careful today. Yeah, Cloudflare seems to be coming back up. All right, I've got 15-minute opening range pretty much set. Let's see if this is the low for it. I got 30 seconds. Yeah, if we keep going lower, I would love to see 600s. That's where I would go long again. I mean, I might go long here too, but I would prefer to go long down here. All right, 15-minute opening range trade is right there at 645.50. Broke and it held. Wow, that is 10. That is insane. That is insane right now, guys. That's crazy. That little blip is my target. Should have went long. Oh god. Yeah, that was a lag. I need to scalp my fundeds though. Interesting morning. I mean, my data is pretty good on Apex. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys because I'm not experiencing the same issues. All right, we broke the lows, and we do have this support here that I'm looking at 604. Let's see. Try to take that retest of the oh, not worked out. Yeah, it should be starting to work. My ball knocks doesn't have a lag anymore. It shows like there was a lag. It was showing me like huge delay on ball knocks, but now it's fine. I'm not trading my ball knocks because I'm waiting for a payout. Man, it doesn't want to reach the lows. The whippiness is pretty wild. Every trade I take goes against me first. I need to be more patient. Yeah, today might not. Oh damn, this is not even selling me out. Yeah, today's just not the day for me. I don't know what it is. Yesterday I felt way better. All right, well, I'm gonna get ready for a for a funded account here because if we make that double bottom, I'll definitely like a long. See, 0 for 2 on evals, not good, not good. All right, that was $200. Yeah, Cloudflare is down, guys. It's coming back up slowly. They always fake me out today. Oh my god. It's not my day. It's crazy how different today I feel versus yesterday when it comes to being in tune with the market. So whippy. Oh my god. ATR is huge. Yeah, it could go lower, but there's support right now, so that's why I'm longing. If it breaks that support, then that's a different story. I'm a counter trend trader, so but if it breaks that, holds below, then gonna have to look for something else. Yeah, that double bottom did not hold one bit. Let's go, Carmino. I'm just trying to get my accounts back up to break even. If I could get them to break even, that would be good. That's like having new accounts without paying for new accounts. It's like I'm in the eval stage on my funded accounts. That's what it feels like. Like this is an eval until I make back 750. So weak. All right, $1,000 there. So I'm gonna switch accounts. Kind of what I did yesterday. A couple accounts, get them to 1,000. And then work on this one. This one is down the most. Trader Bob, the server is down. It's going back up. Twitter was down. Take Profit Trader was down. Trade Sinker was down. Lucid Trading was down. They're all coming back up now, slowly. But hit the like button, guys. At 200 likes, we will do a giveaway for Take Profit Trader. Wow, nice sell off here. She keeps going. Sean, I really hope you took advantage of that because you had a good read. But Apex had issues, RGAs? How come I don't have any issues on Apex? Rhythmic. But like on ball knocks, look at this. This is ball knock. See, there's a delay. Gonna be patient for it. I just hate shorting the lows, man. It just doesn't feel right. New lows. Huh. That's the problem. Like you short the lows and it spikes against you so much. Like 50 points right there. That's crazy. The volatility is getting worse and worse. Look, we're at 20 ATR right now on the tick chart. So when this reverses, it's gonna be violent. New lows. I hope you guys who are short biased are killing this. It's not easy to hold through these pullbacks, but turn off your P&L. I have the daily chart up and I have the hourly chart. Yeah, next support is at 416. Right? Is that 416? What's the low on this? Yeah, 410, 420. But I wouldn't doubt Just keep going lower. It's melting down. I'm gonna short the lows just to feel the pain. Yeah, that's the problem. I could never join the momentum at the right time. That's why I struggle with this price action the most. But maybe it will reverse. Maybe it will eventually give me a good long setup. Trading with stop losses today is going to be very tough. Wow. Yeah, people are complaining about Rhythmic. I don't know why I'm not getting it. I don't know why I mean the volatility is insane, so that has something to do with it, but man, the meltdown is unreal. Let's see if this 420 to 400 area holds. I'm not counting on it though. Like I'm talking about the support level here. These two little wicks. I mean, right there would be better, but that's very far away. So, all right, we're getting some kind of bounce here. Let's see. Could be a good starting point. I really want to trade some evals. I might just have to crisscross these evals because if I keep losing on evals, it's just not fun. Wow, that's all you need to pass to half pass the eval or pass a 50k. Look at that. That's all you need. This much movement. Volatility is insane. Probably shouldn't be full porting today. You have 12,000 MS lag on Apex. I guess I'm gonna consider myself lucky. Oh, TPT, yeah. TPT is on the free or whatever you call it on the generic server. So TPT is definitely gonna have issues more likely than Apex. All right, we're getting that bounce, and I kind of missed it. Join it. Why not? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Blow another eval after all the hard work I did yesterday. If I keep blowing these eval, I'm just gonna do 50Ks. I mean, with $40 activation, 50Ks are not bad. I just gotta size down on the ORB and scalp and be patient and grow those accounts slowly. I just can't see. I just can't get a good trade. I don't know. But this market, it's very scary to join when it's weak, and it's very scary to join when it's strong. It's almost like you have to go counter trend. But if you short the pop here, you lose. So it's not easy. Well, on the funded, my plan would be to long down here at this double bottom because that's 130 points of a bounce. So it's definitely support here now. But please fill me here so I could get at least one eval passed. Please. No? Okay. That's fine. That's how we're going to play today? Okay. Alrighty then. I get you, market. I get you. You're not going to be nice to me today. I saw Twitter. Everyone was having a bad day yesterday, and I had a really good day. So maybe it's my turn. All of a sudden, 15 points is a very difficult target to get. Unbelievable. Oh my god. 0 for 3 today, guys. 0 for 3. Time to start hedging. I think I'd rather hedge. Even though this would probably fail on both again, so I don't know. Fuck. Alright, let's just place orders. I am trading evals too late. Too late. Place the damn orders. Place the orders. I did such a good job yesterday on evals and just to blow them today. Unreal. Unfucking believable. I got 2 more. I passed 1 yesterday. I activated it. The 150K. I passed 3 50Ks. I'm just gonna do 50Ks to get to 20 accounts with Apex at this point. If I can't pass any of these, for $40, it's worth to have 50. Oh, now it's gonna go. Now it's gonna go. Fucking crazy market, man. Oh my god. What a disaster today, guys. Can't get a fucking trade in my direction. All right, I'm done with evals today. Today's not the day. Gonna keep blowing all of them. Let's just focus on the fundeds. Fundeds are easier to focus on and not over leverage in this volatility. I should have just hedged those evals. Would have passed 2 of them instead of blowing 4. I don't know what I'm doing. Hedging is actually cheaper sometimes. I had a short too, and I changed it to a long because I'm an idiot. Today is not the day. I have an order at the lows here for another eval. I'll take that, but I'm not changing it. Oh, yeah, Pine Tree. I had such a good day on evals yesterday, and I didn't pass them. I only half passed them, and today I'm blowing them. Unbelievable. Let's go, Xavere. That's what it's all about. It's all about TPT, baby. This market is something else. See if it holds. That's resistance right here again. Like, I always end up taking the resistance. All right, 812. One more scalp on this account. I gotta be ready for a reversal. Any minute now, Take Profit Trader could deduct my balance, and I'll definitely like to scalp on there as well. $5K. Look at you. Didn't you just say? Well, I remember I made like $4,500 in a week, and you said you wish you could do that, and you just made that in 2 days. Look at that. That was like a month ago. Is there a minimum withdrawal daily with Take Profit Trader? Yes, it's 1 cent. So if you haven't made 1 cent, then you can't take it out, unfortunately. It's hard work. Musisz grosza zarobić. No, he's talking about withdrawing to the wallet. I would not. I withdraw from Take Profit Trader into my bank account once a month. I request a payout from the wallet to my bank once a month. Ian, congratulations, man. Well, what prop firm, Ian? Okay, okay. Let's see if we can retest these lows. I mean, if we break the support at 420s, that's gonna be. I mean, the volatility is insane. I mean, the range today has got to be what? The high is 950 and low is 430. 500-point range already today, guys. 500-point range. As long as we survive today, that's all that matters. one more scalp. There we go. Another $1,000. All right, we move on. We move on to the next one. Yeah, Pro Plus, there's nothing better. Yeah, I would like to see a reversal, but I think we have to break these lows. Maybe not. Come on, pull back and see if it holds. Wow. I mean, this little range is 100 points, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yep, big reversal. Here she comes. Is this it? I don't know if I trust it. I would have trusted it more if it broke the lows. Oh, they sucked me in there. I have my 1,000. $1,200 on that account. Damn. All right. We're cooking so far on the fundeds, not so much on the evals. Almost got that to 150K. Break even, down 96. All right, we'll continue. See. One more account, and then maybe we'll trade the new ones. Actually, I have 2 more accounts. Okay. Yeah, that was a big reversal already. But in the grand scheme of things, and the volatility is so high, I'm just going for bigger scalps here. Let's see if it holds. Ever had paid evals vanish? Not that I know of. The only time it would be if like your credit card failed to bill. Can't imagine how many funded accounts and evals have it blown today. Oh, I blew 4 evals. It's a pretty nice day out. I wonder if I should go play 9 holes. Yeah, I might. Wind gusts are making the temperature feel like 32. Interesting. I mean, I guess I could yeah, Apex website is down. But I don't know why they're not. They gotta refresh their server or something. Because everything else is back up pretty much. So Apex never had 80% off with the $40. So I thought they already had that, but they didn't. That was 70. All right, where are we gonna go from here? My take profit still hasn't cleared. Come on, let's go back to the lows. I gotta add up my payouts for this month. I have no idea where I'm at. It's not gonna be a good month though, but maybe I could get to 10,000 again. Up another 200 points. I hope so. I hope we start ripping. Doesn't look like it right now, but I'm looking for this kind of pattern. We kind of had it already here, so who knows? Let's see how this one broke the lows a little bit. That's what I was hoping this would do here. That's why I had two evals waiting down there. Because once this breaks, that's where, you know, the stop outs happen and new shorts. Wow, Take Profit Trader is going live tomorrow on Ninja Trader's YouTube channel. Ooh. Interesting. Lanto's gonna be on it. Gonna tune in. We're gonna watch it together. Never mind, it's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'll be sleeping. Just be waking up at that time. I went to the gym at 12 o'clock last night. So oh, we're stuck right now. Let's see. No more activation on Top Step. It's gonna mean it's gonna be a lot more expensive. I mean, they're already expensive, so they gotta be more expensive, in my opinion. Actually, no, it should be cheaper. Never mind. It's gonna be cheaper. I'm thinking straight to funded accounts. It's actually gonna be cheaper, yeah. I guess we'll see. I'm hoping for, well, it's gonna be cheaper. It's gonna be cheaper because straight to funded you pay up front. So it's like Take Profit Trader, it's only $100, right? Trade day is only $69. I gotta really get onto that. What do I think of Take Profit Trader? I think they're the #1 prop firm in the space. I use them, and that's how I make money lately. I am live with Take Profit Trader. Waiting for a payout to clear as we speak. And then I'll trade the account. The only thing is that on live, like I'm waiting for this to clear before I trade the account, so I don't risk it. Yeah, I had that issue with Take Profit Trader 2 on Trade of 8 to start the month. What's my code? Alpine. My code Alpine works for all the prop firms that I'm affiliated with, and probably works for other prop firms when people steal your codes, but it's all good. Yeah, it has to be cheaper. But straight when you drop activation, it has to be cheaper. Otherwise, what would be the point? Right? It's logically gonna be cheaper. I was just thinking when I said it was gonna be more expensive, I was just thinking straight to funded. But they gotta compete with Take Profit, otherwise, I mean, the whole, I mean, Top Step is not bad. I mean, you could just use them. I mean, it's not. There's no competition. Like we talked about it yesterday. There's no competition for prop firms. Prop firms are not competing. Like V said about like they'll brag about it for no reason. They're not competing with anyone. I don't use Top Step because of Top Step X. That's the only reason I don't use them, because I can't copy Top Step X, and it was always expensive. So the second reason is the expensive part and the scaling part. I hate the scaling plan. I think it's the biggest BS ever. That is so 2022 that I wish they got rid of it. I just don't like prop firms with scaling plans because I can't do what I do. But if someone's trading 1 mini or less, then it's not a problem, right, for them. Now in the 150Ks, I could trade 3 minis, so that wouldn't be bad. But Project X, you just can't copy. Like, if they figure out how to copy to Project X very seamlessly, then it will be a good option. But I'm glad Project X is going away, to be honest. Just gonna be Top Step. Yeah, I don't buy Bullnox scaling plans. Isn't the name of the account actually scaling? Isn't that the name of it? I'll take this pop, see if we could get it. Or was it just a trap here? Yeah, it was just a trap. Not good. No, not gonna be able to save this one. Definitely some lag right now because I definitely entered, and who knows if I'm in or not. Guess I'm not. Damn, if I would have I hit the button. Why didn't I get filled? Would have been out and profitable. Unbelievable. Come on, pop. Pop it. Damn it. The very first prop that I tried was Lilu trading. Then it was Top Step. And then Tick Tick. I might have done Earn to Trade. I did it during like GME AMC markets. And no one cared about futures. It was so funny. I was streaming to like 1,000 people and no one cared. Everyone wanted to know about GME and AMC. Oh yeah, Tick Tick's been around for a very long time. Tick Tick is the OG. Nice win there. Tick Tick is the OG from direct accounts. They're the OG. Like people think it's Tradify or fast track trading. It's not. Tick Tick was the first one to have direct accounts, straight to funded. And that's how I got my first payout in this. Actually, no, my first payout, yeah, Tick Tick. With Lilu, I never got a payout. Lilu's the only prop firm that owes me money. It's pretty funny, but they're the only prop firm I'm not profitable with. I spent money with and I didn't make any money. Lucid, I gotta be close to break even. I only got a couple payouts from them. Yeah, they still haven't figured it out. Yeah. Let me see if I could find out what's going on there, because everyone else is back up. Yeah, chat. The website's still down. Oh, I'm so tempted to long. I can't. We need to break these lows and see how it reacts at the lows. ETF. Nice. Yeah, ETF. I I liked ETF a little bit, but they really suck. Yeah, Apex website's still down, guys, from the Cloudflare outage. Doesn't want to go lower. Look at that. My FOMO is so bad. Come on. If I don't get filled on bid, I don't know why I jump in on the ask, to be honest. I don't know why I keep doing that. Easy win turns into a terrible trade again. Like, easy win. Like a very easy win. Because I just didn't get filled. So why do I enter? I don't know. I always think that it's just going to go. Oh, God. I just need to be patient for the lows. The lows are coming. They're coming. Just be patient. Got me sucked in there. So we could get a pop before it goes lower. Come on. Such a bad entry up here. Jesus. Why did that look good to me? Now it's definitely making new lows. Need a pop before it goes, though. Nah, this account's cooked. Oh, just like I say that. Got a big bounce, maybe. Come on, just bounce above this level. Like, Jesus, I entered at such a bad spot. Made myself. All because I wanted to hit the ask. Like, hit the bid. If you don't get filled, you don't get filled. Whatever. My entry would have been up here and I would have been out of the trade. It's going to the lows. I mean, it's head and shoulders. Gonna have to sacrifice this account. Was I up 800 on it too? Sucks. Only a miracle could save it right now. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Every time lower highs. I don't know why I went long. I really don't. Up here. Yeah, like this candle, yes. But I missed my entry and I just chased it. I don't know why I do that. So my biggest losses, always. Can we somehow survive this? Can they shake out the shorts one more time before they dump it? Nope. Yeah, there she goes. All right. Oh, might have to call it a day, guys, because like can't feel out the price action today. I don't want to call it a day until I clear my take profit trader payout though. So I got another hour before that happens. Not a bad trade. Ruined the day right there. I feel like the long is gonna come. It's just, but right now it's gonna be tough because it's such a head and shoulders. It's not like dumping and then hits support. It tried to bounce, it failed. So now there's so many long stuck. Well, this actually might work out, but the account's not gonna get approved for a payout, so might as well go for a bigger win. Damn, that's crazy if he hasn't taken the trade yet. It's a lot of volatility. Come on. Come on, just pop a little bit more. I had a chance to get out, but obviously not getting a payout from this account. So I'm trying to just make as much as possible. Just doesn't work. It never works. When I hold, it fucking never works. It only works when I don't hold. I need a better chair. This fucking chair is not it. My lower back is getting destroyed. Oh my god. Herman Miller. bull crap. My biggest payout would take profit. I think 4,000, 4,500, 4,500. I think it was 4,000, 4,500 in one day. No, 4,500, not 45K. I wish 45K in one day. Jesus. My best month ever has been 82K. All right, made 2,000 on that, but this account's cooked, so I'm just gonna forget about it for now. Gonna let it breathe. Gotta slow it down. This chop is insane. Okay, we got one more account that's kind of down on the balance that I haven't traded yet today. Damn, take profit traders definitely taking their sweet time today with taking out my payout. Would be nice to 'Will Apex take you live once you make a certain profit? Not really. They'll ask if you want to go live or you take money, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. Everyone takes the money. I mean, why wouldn't you? There's no benefit of going live with Apex. Unlike other prop firms, they force you to go live and they can't even take the money out. So that's different. Apex, they allow you to take the money out. So come on, let's fucking make these new lows already. $20 accounts, 100 per day, 10K a month. No. You're not gonna get a payout when you trade for $100 a day. Once you're over the buffer, once you are at payouts, yes. That in that case, yes. But 10K per month is not that much. It's hard to think about it. It's really not that much. So to make 10K a month Should be doable for a lot of people. But sometimes it feels like it is a lot. But for me, 10K a month is like kind of like a failure month. But I did that in July. I probably should do that again. Basically, what I did in July, once you pass the eval, no, it's once you pass the trailing threshold. So like these accounts, right? This account, yes, I can make $100 a day and take out $800 or $2,000 in the month, whatever I make. But you know, these accounts, whatever I make below, like all these, this profit doesn't matter. It's not real profit. So you can't say, oh, I made $8,000 today. I didn't make $8,000 today. That's not how it works. You have to take that out of your head. Only payouts matter. Yeah, the Apex website's still down. Oh, I got filled into my eval. Well, that didn't work. Terrible day for evals. Holy shit. At least we got the new lows. Yeah, terrible day for evals. Holy smokes. I got smoked today. Everything I made yesterday, pretty much, except these two are left. Unfucking-believable. You work so hard on evals and boom, one day it just doesn't work. That's why I hate consistency rules on evals. That's why I love Apex evals. I didn't trade them yesterday the way I should have, but this is what happens to me on Top Step, Take Profit Trader. The second day just doesn't click, right? Yesterday it clicked for me on Apex. I could have passed a lot more evals, but I only passed 4. And then I left the other 4 for or 5 for halfway to pass. Did I trade funded today? Yeah, these are funded. This is all funded. Yeah. So if you don't pay for the Apex activation, you have basically exactly a month from where you bought the eval. So let's say you buy the eval today and you pass it tomorrow. You don't want to activate it. You have till December 17th to activate it. I've had Lucid. I always go direct to funded with Lucid though. They're just tough. They're just tough with the 20% consistency. Very tough. 20 versus 30% consistency is a huge difference. Huge difference. Why did I change to Windows? You might have the wrong streamer, Daniel. I've been trading for 10 years and been using Windows for 9 years. Well, I've been trading for 9 years, but I guess the first year was Robinhood. I love Mac, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Macs. But yeah, no, never traded on Mac. Yeah, it's all good. I DJ on Mac. Let's see if this is gonna bounce here. Hit that support level. Kind of broke it though, but playing off these lows here. See if we can get a two-legged pullback. And that'll be a two-legged pullback if it breaks these highs here. This candle's high. Yeah, I prefer longs only. If I go long and short, that's when I kind of get stuck. Like when it's a big trending day, then yeah, I'm not, I'm gonna have a bad day. But a lot of times it's not a trending day. It goes down, goes back up, goes down, goes back up. Right? It's not often that we have a straight down or straight up day. Okay, gonna add right there and see if we could get a pop here. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. $1,300 right there. Two-legged pullback. Worked like a charm. All right. Moving on to another account. Definitely having a good day on fundeds. Definitely not having a good day on evals though. All right, now we trade fresh accounts. It's a brand new account, so try to be a little aggressive off the bat on this reversal. $200 moving average right there. That'll be a good target. Come on. That's annoying. It's very annoying. Why do I prefer 150K accounts? Just way more drawdown. In this volatility, drawdown comes big. I would have blown a couple evals already. I mean, a couple fundeds already if there were 50Ks. Okay, $900 there. Definitely a solid day. I mean, 10K already. Got one more account to trade. This is a take profit trader. I can't trade that because this transfers to a live, so it stays in the rhythmic, but I can't really trade those. And then we got the bull knocks here. That's waiting for a payout today. Got one more 50K right there. So let's just try something with the 50K and see if we could get any sort of profit on that. Big squeeze now. Come on, let's get a big squeeze here. But the most important thing is I brought back a lot of accounts back from the dead after last week's disaster. It's been 2 weeks of disasters, actually. A week prior to that was me oversleeping or copy trading issues, copy trader being turned off, trading the wrong account. So there was no copy trading involved because I traded the wrong account. The whole week was just a disaster. That was 2 weeks ago. And then last week, ORB was just not good. All right, we're getting this huge squeeze now. I think it's time to try to take advantage of it. On this 50K account, let's see what happens. We gotta stop out though for 30%. Yeah, a lot of green today, but eval's not so green. Oh, looks like first loss here. See, that's why I don't like 50K accounts. Right there, I proved it. Very slow slow growth because smaller size, and then we gotta stop out soon. Let's see if this trap holds. I'm gonna get back in long if it does. So this trap right there. See, like 50K is just so hard to trade because I had to stop out. See, like on a 150K, I would have added there instead of stopping out, and it would have been fine. Oh man, nice. Nice green day. Nice green day so far. But Take Profit Trader still hasn't cleared my payout, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trade my Take Profit Trader account. Yeah, it's still not cleared, fortunately. I kind of am done for the day, I think, except if Take Profit Trader does something quickly here. And how many likes do we have? Oh, we're almost at 200 likes. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. We'll do a giveaway to end the stream. Having a great day. Yeah, I've traded all my accounts, so that's all I could ask for. Yeah, I mean, Bullnock's waiting for a payout. This is not a tradable account, really. I mean, I don't know if I could trade it or not. I don't think so. Good bounce from last week. Yes, Stevie. Definitely saved those accounts from the dead. Now I got pretty much, maybe not all the drawdown, but a lot of the drawdowns back. I've been oversizing on the ORB, so I oversized in the wrong time and then I undersized in the right time. So it's kind of annoying, but I think I'm just going to stay with 3 or 4 contracts the whole time. I'm not going to do more. 400 bucks a day would still get me to a payout one. But you know what I wanted to do? I started talking about it earlier, but I did that in July where I got an account to safety net and I stopped trading it, right? So once I get the account to safety net, I stop trading it and I build up to like 15 accounts above safety net and then start trading them. I feel like that way the emotions are more controlled and whatnot. But it's just pretty hard right now to do that because I have only one account, pretty much almost 2 accounts at safety net. But I want to get these 3 accounts to pay out this month, you know? Come on, guys. 16 more likes. Hit those likes. And then we could do a 50K Take Profit Trader giveaway. For the best prop firm in existence. I could still... I gotta take a trade on my, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a, even though my eval trading today has not been good, I am gonna try to scalp on my trade day account. Market's still going higher. See if we can get a scalp. A scalp session going here on the trade day. Come on, just explode. There we go. Wow, only $400 away from passing, guys. Maybe I'll do ORB on it tomorrow and we'll pass and be funded with trade day. First time in a long time. Finally a good trade on eval. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna trade with funded next. All right, I'm gonna start the giveaway because I trust you guys that we're gonna get to 200 likes. Start the giveaway and we'll do the giveaway at 11:35, 11:30 or so. Do I have a video on my favorite props? No, I gotta make one. I gotta make an updated one. But it's Apex, Take Profit Trader. Those are my number two. Those are my top two, I should say. And then I like Lucid. I like Lucid because it has Rhythmic. So it also depends what kind of platform you use. Tradeify is not bad, but I don't like the fact that they got rid of the no requirement for safety net. That's where Tradeify was shining. Tradeify made it so much more difficult to get payouts now. Yeah. Advanced plan is retiring. Damn, we're still ripping, guys. Still ripping. I wonder how long TPT will have the 40% off. They have it all the time. check out trade day and see how much it costs again. I think it's $69, but I don't even know what my login is to trade day. That's the problem. $69 for intraday trailing drawdown. Okay. End of day is 115. Anyway, guys, we're still ripping here. I'm gonna try scalping the eval instead of just trying to pass it. I don't know. Should I just hedge them? I have 2 evals I could pass if I hedge, maybe. Evals just have not been good for me today, so. Look at it go. Look at that reversal, guys. Again, just like yesterday. That's 271 points. Just gonna trade an eval because I have FOMO. All right, we got, how much time we got left on this giveaway? We got to the giveaway. We're gonna do a 50K take profit trader giveaway. You get a take profit trader account completely for free. Sucks my take profit trader is not cleared yet. Damn it. I'm thinking about going golfing. do 9 holes, get some walk in, get some steps in, get some fresh air. Golfing in 40-degree weather. They don't call me Alpine for nothing. You guys got 6 minutes. 6 minutes for the giveaway. And keep on ripping. You don't care. Just watch. As soon as I put 5 contracts on, it's going to fail. See? Somehow it knows when you put on more risk. Oh my god, today is just not my day for eval, guys. I need to be done. I need to walk the hell away. I just ruined all the evals from yesterday. Ah, I don't listen to myself. Three-minute warning, guys. 3-minute warning. 3-minute warning here. You have 1 minute remaining, guys. 1 minute remaining. All right, let me start putting in the members. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we got GG, we got Miss K. There's not many members in the chat. One sport. Come on, where the members at? 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds and I'm picking the names. We're gonna pick 10 lucky names. Still $1,200. No, $2,200 from passing. That's better than the other evals. Let's put it that way. I'm just gonna buy up there. Okay. Let's pick the names. You guys ready? I'll let that play out. Any more members in the chat? Any more members? All right. Let's do it. I'm gonna pick. We got 3 members so far in the chat. We're gonna pick 10 more names for the race. Number 1 is Miko Jordan. We got K9 Trader. Number 3, we have Luca. Let's go to next. Life begins today. I like that. Can't go backwards. You can only go forward. Ivan Trader or Ivan. We got number 6, Paul. Number 7, Marco Polo. Number 8, JH. And number 9, Bernard Smith. And last but not least, number 10, Cly. Okay, a lot of names I don't recognize as much. It's cool. All right, so we got 13 names on the list. So you have a pretty high chance of winning. Any more members in the chat? This is very quiet for members, so. Once I start the race, yeah, not many members in the chat. 2 more. All right, let's make it a round number. Okay, fine. I'm gonna pick 2 more people to make it 15. Just 2 more, nothing else. S. Maladino. And last but not least, number 15 today goes to ARAS. ARAS. Almost spilled the Red Bull. All right, so we got 15 names. I'm gonna do a 2-minute race. We're gonna set the stage. This is for a 50K Take Profit Trader eval. Start the engines. Who is ready? All right, guys, 50K Take Profit Trader eval. We'll give away 1 more this week. Off to the races. I'm going to take a quick break. Golfy's going to take over.
Well, hello everybody. How you been? How's everything? I miss you guys. All right, we got 15 cars, 1 Take Profit Trader evaluation to give away. Who is going to take it on this lovely Tuesday, November 18th? We got Cly in the McLaren, K9 Trader in the McLaren, GG in the Acura, Miss K in the Porsche 911. Let's go. JH in the Bugatti. We got Bernard in the Aston Martin. We got Maladino in the Ferrari. Oh yeah. One Sport in the Bugatti. Paul in the Ford GT. Alrighty. 1 minute on the clock. Who is going to take it? Everyone is pacing. Everyone is taking their time. No one is burning off their fuel, their boost, or their tires too soon. Don't want to run out of gas. Don't want to run out of boost. And don't want to smoke your tires too early. 45 seconds to go. It's Las Vegas week for Formula One. We're starting this week with a nice 2-minute race here. Who is going to take it? 30 seconds left. Everyone's getting ready. Everyone knows what's coming in 5 seconds. Everyone knows. Everyone knows what to do. 3, 2, 1, and watch them all hit that boost. Hit the boost. Look how much faster they're going. They're going so much faster. All of a sudden, last stretch, 10 seconds to go. Who's going to take it? Miko is in the lead in his Aston Martin. Is he going to take the lead? Or is Clyde going to pull it off? Oh my goodness, comes out of nowhere. 13, card number 13, lucky 13. In the McLaren. Clyde, congratulations to you. What a comeback. See? It's not how you start, it's how you finish, boys. Should I manage this trade for Alpine? Alpine's not even here. Oh well. He was up a lot too. Damn. Anyway, Clyde, send Alpine your take profit email and we'll transfer over a nice 50K evaluation for you. And I'll see you all later this week, probably on Thursday or Friday, Alpine told me. Alpine said, I'll be busy this week, so I'm ready. Just hit those likes, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to use code Alpine. And I'll see you all another day. Later, guys. Bye-bye.
Oh. Well. Congrats to Clyde. I hope he's in the chat. There. Yeah, he's there. Okay. Well, I was up on this trade, and Golfy didn't close me out of the position, so I blame Golfy for that. Almost was passing this eval. And now the drawdown is dwindling down, because I suck. I just can't pass evals today. I'm going to start hedging evals. I don't care anymore. Waste of time. Otherwise, would have been so far ahead if I just hedged these evals. With the volatility like today, volatility is so good for hedging. Ooh, big spike there. Could pass this eval. Maybe if we make new highs. Not exactly sure how much more I need. Come on, let me pass this eval to end the day. And I don't know what's happening with Take Profit Trader that it's taking so long, but... Oh, wait a minute. I never requested the payout. Oh my god. I just realized I never requested the payout yesterday. Well, that sucks. I'm like, why is it not clearing? It's so weird. I'm about to send the request now. I don't think it's gonna clear till tomorrow. Oh, that sucks. I screwed up. Totally forgot to request. Clyde, thank you. Yeah, I'll send it over to them. You should get the account by end of today. So you're gonna check in your credits, okay? Well, that sucks. I never requested a payout from yesterday, so that's why it's not cleared. Well, that's a mess up, big mess up. I don't think it's gonna make new highs here. I think I should just take the profit when I see it and try to but no, it's not working. And it's gonna sell off again. Tried too many times to go higher. It's not meant to be for this eval, I don't think. Just didn't have enough size to pass. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Come on. Don't need that much more. Oh my god, $25 short. Oh, thought I had it. Camera quality sharp. It's pretty funny because I don't have my proper lighting set up. I'm moving my desk to. I don't really care about the background as much anymore because when I have the nice background, then my desk is in the middle of the room and it's always messy. So I'm trying to make it more cozy and nice. So I need a desk against my wall. The wall that I used to see That's where I'm sitting on now. All right, we need $25. So that's 6 ticks. I think we got it. Nope. I am short by 32 cents. Great. I think one tick will cover it though. Yep. All right. At least we passed one. So I'll have how many Apex accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 15 Apex accounts already. I mean, I don't really need more than that. So it's not bad. If I could get to 17, 18 by end of the sale, if I do 50Ks, I could get to 20. No problem. It's the 150Ks that just get really annoying. But when it comes to funded, the 150K is way better. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Solid day today. Very happy. Again, good progress. Saved these accounts from the dead. Pretty much all back to break even. Back to decent drawdown. These accounts were almost dead after last week's losses. We're slowly grinding them back up. Should be getting my payout from Bullnox today, and then we'll trade Bullnox starting tomorrow again. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Congrats to Clive for the giveaway, and we'll do another one tomorrow. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might go golfing. I feel kind of crappy, though. I still feel like I'm under the weather, and it's like I feel okay, but my body's just aching. I don't know from what, but I might go golfing. I might not. Definitely virtual golf, at least. That will be later. Anyway, guys,